Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Southern-style salmon croquettes. Let's start by gathering your ingredients for this classic dish. We'll cover everything from selecting the right salmon to achieving that perfect golden brown crust. Get ready to enjoy a truly comforting and flavorful meal that's a staple in Southern kitchens. This guide will help you master this beloved recipe with ease. For authentic Southern salmon croquettes, start with 114, 75-ounce can of pink salmon, ensuring it's well drained and any bones or skin are removed. Finely dice about 1/2 cup of yellow onion and 1/4 cup of green bell pepper to add essential flavor and texture. You'll also need 1 large egg and about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs or all-purpose flour to bind everything together. Don't forget your favorite Southern seasonings like salt, black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder for that perfect taste. Once your ingredients are ready, flake the drained salmon thoroughly in a large bowl using a fork. Add your finely diced onion, bell pepper, the large egg, and your chosen binder, whether it's breadcrumbs or flour. Gently mix all the ingredients until they are just incorporated. Avoid overmixing to maintain a good texture. Now, form the mixture into patties, aiming for a thickness of about 1 inch. This size helps ensure they cook evenly and develop a beautiful crust. To cook your croquettes, heat about 1/2 inch of vegetable or canola oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Carefully place the patties into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for approximately 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are crispy. Once cooked, transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve these delicious croquettes warm with traditional Southern sides like grits or a zesty remoulade sauce.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.